If you are looking for a cosmetic dentist and considering dental implants and want the best cosmetic dental results, then you need to know about socket preservation. After a tooth has been extracted and a dental implant surgery is about to be performed, a good cosmetic dentist will do socket preservation. Here, cosmetic dentist Dr. Dennis Shepherd explains what socket preservation bone grafts are all about.
When a patient has a tooth extracted, the bone remodels pretty quickly, and there's quite a lot of shrinkage in the bone that was holding the root in the jawbone, and up to half of the calcium can come out of that jawbone in the first year. Now there's a procedure which is considered in America, it's considered the standard of care, where we introduce materials into the socket which stop that shrinkage. And the reason that we do that is it saves the volume of the jawbone, so we can get a titanium screw or a dental implant in there to replace that tooth. And if you look at this brochure put out by Schlick, which is the company that supplies all the biomaterials that we use, what we tend to do is when the tooth is extracted, there's actually a hole in the bone, and the gum can shrink down pretty quickly in this region. And this little procedure, by placing materials that don't resorb very quickly, we can actually save the bone in that site.
Right.
And it allows us to have space to put dental implants into the site. It's a relatively simple procedure where the tooth is extracted extremely carefully.
Yeah.
And we introduce, it's a combination of collagen and bone into the socket, and suture something over the top, and it accelerates healing and makes the site ideal for a dental implant.
Yeah.
If you have a look over here, this is courtesy of this brochure. If we leave the site without preserving it, there's a lot of bone shrinkage in the area.
Yeah.
And if we socket preserve the site, we actually end up with a very nice appearance after the extraction of the tooth.
Okay. So that's
a really straightforward procedure.
Okay. And that's called
socket preservation.
Socket preservation.
Yeah.
So this is essential in getting your implants.
Best cosmetic result on implants after the extraction of the tooth. So we tend to do it primarily in the area where people smile, in the cosmetic zone. We tend to do this.
Great.